Systems of nonlinear equations, part 2. Okay, so to solve nonlinear systems, we were saying substitution and elimination are the best methods. In this case, we look at which one is better, substitution or elimination. Substitution, when I can easily solve for a variable. Here we can't easily solve for a variable. Elimination is going to be a best method used instead of substitution. We can eliminate y, we can eliminate x, it doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and eliminate x. To eliminate x, I would like this to be a -6, so I'm going to multiply everything here by a -2. If this is a -6, we want this to be a +6, so we're going to multiply everything here by a 3. When we multiply by -2, everything gets multiplied by -2. Okay, so we're looking at -6x squared minus 8y is equal to a -34. We get 6x squared plus 15y is equal to 6. Adding, we add our x squared to eliminate. -8 plus 15 is going to give us 7y. 6 minus 34 is a -28. And then dividing both sides by 7, here we're going to get y is -4. Okay, so in that ordered pair, so far we know y is -4. Okay, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which equation we pick, just pick one of them. Let's look at 2x squared plus 5y equals 2. It doesn't matter which one we pick, either one. We just found y to be -4, so we'll plug in y is -4. So we have 2x squared. This is going to be a -20. So when I add it, that would give us a 22. Dividing both sides by 2 gives us an 11. And so square rooting, I applied the square root, I apply a plus or minus, and then square root of 11, square root of 11 positive, square root of 11 negative, and there's our two solutions. Okay, so in this case, let's go ahead and check our answer. So let's grab our graphing calculator. To put in to the calculator, we need to have both of these as y equals. Okay, so let's see if we can get both of these as y equals. Okay, so we have 3x squared plus 4y equals 17. I need to have y equals, so I could put this in to y1. So we're going to say 17 minus 3x squared. I'm not going to simplify. I'm going to let the calculator do the work. When I divide over that 4, here's what we're going to put in y1. So we don't have that 4 anymore. Okay, so then we have 2x squared plus 5y equals 2. And so we have 5y is equal to 2 minus 2x squared. Okay, so we're going to divide both sides by 5. And again, I'm going to not even simplify and let the calculator do the work. That's what I want to put into the graphing calculator. We have 17 minus 3x squared all over 4, 2 minus 2x squared all over 5. We're going to do a zoom standard. After our zoom standard, we want to see where these two intersect. So we can go second, calculate. Option number 5 is our intersect feature. We're going to move over to that point of intersection. We're going to keep hitting enter. Once we find that point of intersection, the calculator is going to give that as negative 3.32, negative 4. If we look at what we had a negative square root of 11. Let's see what negative square root of 11 is. Negative square root of 11 is negative 3.31625. So I know that I have a correct solution. Okay, so here, that is our negative square root of 11, negative 4. We could run the intersect feature again, and that will check that positive square root of 11 over 4. Sorry, positive square root of 11, negative 4. Those are our two solutions.